I explained in my previous videos that if the human mind, in this case scientific mind, a mind of a physicist, is totally disconnected with the consciousness, he can create theories that are absolute failure, absolute nonsense. And now we have on the Singularity app, we have an article where they discuss that information could be the solution for the dark matter and dark energy. I can't believe it. I can't believe it what a scientific mind can produce today. Let's go first to the dark matter. Dark matter was proposed around 80 years ago as some invisible matter that is inside the spiral galaxies, because they discover that the stars which are on the borders of galaxies, they rotate with a speed that it's too high if they did when doing calculations about the mass of the galaxy. Because the more is the mass, the higher its orbital speed around the central black hole. So they propose a kind of invisible matter. And since then they have been searching for this dark matter without any success. Because there is no dark matter. So what is the case? The case is that superfluid quantum space inside the galaxy, the local superfluid quantum space, is rotating. Because the center black holes rotate around their axis with a huge rotational velocities. So the entire local space is rotating, and now according to the Newton physics, we have two components of the velocity. One is according to the Newton calculations, and the other is because the local superfluid quantum space is also rotating. This is the solution of consciousness. This is the solution where a scientific mind is supervised by consciousness. Now the other proposal, I cannot believe it. The other proposal in this article that information, they say information cannot be created and cannot be destroyed, and that information could be the answer for the dark energy. That's amazing. That's amazing. Universal space is not empty. Empty space cannot exist. 95% of the energy of the universe is the energy of the space. Only 5% is the energy of the matter. And this 95% of the energy of the universe is dark energy. Dark energy is the energy of the superfluid quantum space. Which variable energy density generates gravity? Okay. So if a physicist is totally identified with his mind, what his mind is doing, he is totally lost. That's why 95% of articles in theoretical physics are just mental garbage. So you can check this, what this author is writing in in this article. You check, you read it, and you use your brain. Use your brain. Don't ask GTP. Don't ask artificial intelligence. Once the consciousness in you is awakened, your intelligence has increased for 10,000 times. Because the consciousness is intelligence of the universe. Whatever conscious person sees, she or he has a right information. Because once you see the universe and also your ordinary daily life without the mind interpretation, you got the direct information. And this is the supreme intelligence. Consciousness is the supreme intelligence of the universe that does not need analytical thinking. Analytical thinking can produce any kind of nonsense. As this idea that information can be answer for the dark matter and dark energy is just an absolute nonsense. So this actually what I decided now, I will start reading articles of this mentally lost scientist and analyzing them from the perspective of consciousness, okay? Not from the perspective of mind, from the perspective of consciousness. And if you will follow my videos, you will see how much mental crap these people create. It's incredible. It's incredible. So I wish everybody good time and see you next year at the summer school of the physics of now. It will be in Slovenia. I don't know yet exactly where, but definitely. Okay, bye everybody.